if you're launching a store, if you're launching any other type of product, then this case study is for you. We generated 1,500 leads at a cost of just $0.29 per lead. This is for a pre-launch campaign of an e-commerce store. Now, this is a store in the survivalism prepper niche. So it was actually a little bit complicated to target their ideal audience here and with the types of products they were selling. The real challenge here was that it's a new store, so nobody really knew that this store existed. We wanted to generate some awareness. We wanted to validate the idea for the store and test out demand for the products. We had some ad policy issues that we had to work around, as not all of the products, like knives, were not allowed for good reasons to be advertised on Meta, Facebook, Instagram ads. Want to build awareness in their niche target audience, and we wanted to build a list of leads for email remarketing. So the results were pretty impressive. As I said, we generated 1,528 leads at a cost of $0.29 per lead. Now, we often run lead generation campaigns with costs that are higher than this. We often run lead generation campaigns with very low cost per lead as well, but the lowest so far has been around $1. Now we've achieved one with $0.29 cost per lead. So that was pretty amazing. Now, we also generated 7,228 clicks on the ads, and the ads were shown 250,000 times, and that was on a rather small ad spend as well. We did create the ad designs for this campaign from the client's product images. So here just some examples of the designs that we tested out. The wrench here on the left-hand side and this multifunctional capping lines performed especially well, I believe. Now you see we have some sales copy here on top. We have some sales copy underneath the designs as well, and we have a call to action inside of the ad creatives and their logo. So this is all to increase click-through rates and to have people coming through to the next step, which in this case is a lead generation form. We wanted to get as many people as possible to sign up for this pre-launch campaign and get a 20% discount that they could then use at the store's launch. So this is actually a native lead form. This means that people do not need to leave their application, their Instagram, their Facebook feed, wherever they are seeing this ad. They can just click on it and submit their details and continue with whatever they are doing instead of going off to the website where we might lose them in this process. Now, we also wrote the copy, the sales copy for the ads. Here is the one of the different ad copies that we split tested. So we always split a variety of different versions of copy, and then we want to show the one that performs best. Now this is using attention, interest, desire, and action framework. And so we started off by addressing the target audience. We then caught their interest by telling them about the store for their niche and the 20% discount that they could secure. We then create desire by telling them about the different types of products that they could shop in the store, and eventually close the deal with a call to action to join the launch and secure the 20% discount. And we then also wrote the copy for a welcome email that could be sent out to all the leads that we collected. Now, this did go through a process of optimization. This is how we were able to achieve costs per lead as low. Now here you can see we actually ran this campaign on the client's ad account. We tested out a variety of different targeting options inside of each ad set, inside of the campaign. Within each ad set here, we always group them into different topics to make it easier to manage and for the algorithm to work better. We group different interests together, different behavior options, pages of competitors, etc., whatever fits to the theme, and we then split test them against each other. We keep the best performing ones, we turn off everything that doesn't perform well. And the same we're doing on the ad level. So here we've split tested a variety of different ad creatives and then kept the ones that were performing best. Now, it all started with a detailed strategy plan. We always start our projects like this. That's the basis for all our work, is a detailed strategy that's tailored to the challenges of this business, to the goals of this business. And I'd like to say that if you are wondering whether a similar strategy might work for your launch, then please do book in an initial consultation, and we'll chat about how we can help you achieve similar results and how we can help you launch your store or your product.